say anything. Oh, she's barking at the frickin' big stove. Cause you know how there's lights? It's boiling this way. She's so cute.
What?
Pixie, it's a stove. Relax. Hey. Shh. Are you gonna attack it? Are you gonna save her life? Are you gonna save her life? Go save her life. Go. Go attack it. Go attack the lights. Go attack the stove.
No.
Holy Pixie. It's a stove.
What's going on? Brown chicken, brown cow? Yeah, let's go on. Let's watch the show.
Hey. Shh.
Bring him over here.
She thought. Your barking scared her. She looked at the stove like, what the hell is that?